Hi there. Question 2. This is one of these English interpretation questions, and I always find it easier to read the questions first and then the answers second, the passage second. So the first question is, name the functional group that's found in both ethane 1,2-diol and propane 1,2-diol. And see that little all bit at the end? That means that it's an alcohol. And that means that the functional group is hydroxyl, which I shall just write. Hydroxyl. Now, spelling wise, I always have a horrible temptation to end this word in ol, because the alcohols end in ol, and the way that I remember not to end it in ol is to remember this little oxy bit. Hydroxyl. Question B. The colour. Name the type of substance used to convert 1,2-diol into oxalic acid. So that means we're going to be wanting to find something that makes oxalic acid, which I shall just write as a little note. And we, part C, name the salt mentioned in the passage. So we're looking for a salt. And part D, calculate the mass in grams of 1 mole of a harmless product formed in the body from propane 1,2-diol. So we want a harmless product of 1,2-diol. And now let's read the passage. Antifreeze lowers the freezing point of water. When dilute antifreeze is used in car engines, it lowers the freezing point of water when dilute antifreeze is used in car engines to prevent the water-based liquids from freezing. Different brands of antifreeze can contain either ethane 1,2-diol or propane 1,2-diol. And this little OH thing is the hydroxyl group. Oh, that one. And all alcohols have got those little OHs in their hydroxyls. Ethane 1,2-diol is toxic if swallowed in the liver. An enzyme converts ethane 1,2-diol into oxalic acid. So what makes oxalic acid? An enzyme makes it. Which I can just write down. Oxalic acid then reacts with calcium in the body to form calcium oxalate. We have a salt. Calcium oxalate is the main compound of kidney stones, which can cause extreme pain. Propane 1,2-diol is not regarded as toxic because the body breaks down the molecule to harmless lactic acid. So we have a harmless product of propane 1,2-diol, which is also produced naturally in the body during exercise. So it looks as though that's the salt and that's the harmless product, calcium oxalate. Oh, how do you spell that? So this last one, the harmless product, that was the lactic acid thing. Let me have a look. Lactic acid. What? And we are asked, calculate the mass in grams of 1 mole of this lactic acid. So what we want is the gram formula mass, because that will give you the number of grams per mole. So we can look back at the picture and just see how much of everything there is. So there's 3 carbons, 3 carbons, and then there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogens and 3 oxygens, I think. 6 hydrogens, 3 oxygens. Let me just check. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So we can look at the formula mass page in the data book, and we can get that carbon has a relative atomic mass of 12, and hydrogen has a relative atomic mass of 1, and oxygen has a relative atomic mass of 16. And then just get the calculator. 3 times 12, 36. Oh, there's 6 of those. 3 times 16, 48. Add those together. 90. The mass of 1 mole is 90 grams. Thanks for watching. Bye.